Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make multiple emails in one Gmail account. It is a fast and easy tutorial. Firstly, utilizing Gmail's feature of creating multiple aliases can help you organize incoming emails more effectively. By setting up different aliases for various purposes, such as work, personal, or subscriptions, you can easily filter and prioritize your emails. First, open your web browser and go to your Gmail. You can create multiple email addresses right from here. Look for the compose and click on to open a new message. So here you can write the email address, and before the @ symbol you can include a plus symbol and any keyword of your preference. This can be anything relevant to you. When you use this customized Gmail preferences, Gmail will still deliver your message to the destination. You can also create filters to place emails to specific inboxes. This will keep your inbox organized. Furthermore, using the multiple inboxes feature in Gmail settings can provide a unified view of all your emails, including started messages, drafts, and more. This feature enhances visibility and accessibility to important emails across different categories. By implementing these strategies and features within your Gmail account, you can effectively manage multiple emails with ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.